Hello, this is Dom, New Jersey. We're going to take a quick walk at Cliffwood Beach. It's about a 20-minute walk. We're going to walk all the way down here. It's about a 20-minute walk. Look at the sky, fresh air. It's December 5th. It's about 50 degrees. Let's see what we can find and see what's out there. Let's start the walk at Cliffwood Beach, Waterfront. Look at this view. This is beautiful. Waterfront Bay we're looking at. It's one of my places. Waterfront Bay, New Jersey. It's one of my favorite places to be. Get the American flag. This is our journey. You see why they call it Cliffwood Beach. Look at the rocks here. They did a great job here. It's the Waterfront Bay to the right. Nice, beautiful aluminum fence. Alright. We're going to end this video by going to the gazebo. Great place to go fishing. It's about 50 degrees, December 6th, so it's a warm day today. What I like about this is you bring a couple chairs, you go fishing, you cut your bait here, throw it out. I won't go here low tide, but I think the rocks will get your hook jammed in the rocks. It's low tide, but hopefully it's coming in. Let's keep it moving. Nice day. Here's wood palings, I guess, for old deck. Pretty over here. So we want to make it right around this bend, go see a gazebo. But look at this view, Cliffwood Beach. $1 million view here. And we just walked all the way down there. If you go across the water on the other side, should be Keyport to the right. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the sky. Oh God, we're almost at the end. Once you go around this bend, you should see gazebo, and that should be the end of it. I tell you, about a 15-minute walk. It's beautiful, safe, quiet. They have cameras everywhere, so far as safety, you're good. Alright, we get into the gazebo. That should be the end of the tour of Cliffwood Beach, but I just want to let you know, see the cameras up there? They have them on all the light poles, so you're safe. You're definitely safe. Here's the gazebo. This should be the end of Cliffwood Beach. A nice little walk, a little fresh air. And you're really adventurous. Walk on the beach. We're gonna add some more minutes on this in a second. It's gonna end this video at the gazebo over here, but I saw ducks just a couple feet away. So we're gonna see if we get the ducks in there. There's about 100-something ducks there. Let's see if we can find them. The gazebo up there, I see at least 150 ducks. We don't scare them. You know, naturally, all ducks run when you get near them, but you gotta be 150 ducks out here. Look at all these ducks out here. It's cold. I think the ducks, maybe some geese there too. I hear a geese. Ducks at the Waterfront Bay. I like how they stick their head down and their body goes up when they're feeding. That is so cool.